Hey guys. Fine. We are at Groveland. Groveland Cemetery here. Minnetonka. I had to attend a funeral here. A buddy of mine. Only 10 people showed up. He was pretty much of an angry drunk. Died at 62 years old. His ex-wife didn't come. Died penniless, but smoking cigarettes, drinking alcohol. Looked like he was 75, but the way it is, 28th day of September, about noon, 2024. There we are. So, got some right here, 1959. Some older ones here, you can kind of tell. Right here. It's kind of an older cemetery. I didn't even know it was here until I had to come here and help carry his casket. So, Army. I want to do some rail fanning down to Minneapolis when I get a chance. But 1995, 1906. Janie Kenneth, she went first. '25, 2008. Nancy L. Peterson, June 4th. Yeah, when you're smoking a lot of cigarettes and drinking, and you're my age, and it didn't take too much. It's too bad. 1951. Nice guy, but 1960, 1946. She went 46, he went 1960. Beautiful. This is the hottest September we've had in a long time. On the record. Died the year I was born. Dead 62 years. Got a couple people here. Audrey! Hey Audrey, I tell you what, huh? Vietnam. Went to 2012. A Vietnam vet, Bruce. World War II. Combat unit. Elaine went 2002, he went 13. Clarence! Charles, 1999, she went 2017. Got the beast over there. When this comes out, I'll have it out in 2025 and we'll have a new president, right? Listen to a brainwashing today of Donald J. Trump of Michigan. They're still alive or not? Looks like, I don't know. These are some old ones. They died way back 1946. It's a pretty big facility. Pretty big. Shirley and Charles, he's still alive. She died 2005. Guam. We're kind of going this way. Erickson. I just like a simple one like that. Get these big ones. Married 1960. If they're still alive. Goodness. So he's already dead already, 1925, 2000. (1903), 1902. Navy man. Nice little flowers. They both went in 2023. That Jewish one I went to in Richfield was pretty cool. That's in 1868, 1940. Oh my goodness. A little water here. Army, 1897, 1992, World War I. That was supposed to end all wars. Nancy Jane Richardson. Softball, this baseball field's behind here. I played softball over here before. Richardson. Looks like Eloise is still alive. He went 2002. 1883, 1969. Huh. Leroy Roberts. (1990, 1983). 83 years old. Over here, a little more in the shade. You can rest in peace, as they say, right? It's like a multi one here. Jules, Adam, and Anna. Adam and Anna, 34, 33, and 41. Just. Huh. Clarence. World War II. Private Use Army. Father, mother. Henry Dale. Shirley. Yeah, my friend that's 2 years old died. That's a good goodness. That's recently. Pretty new. Nice. Neil. He's still alive. They're both the same age. Bonnie. Went 2021. It's a nice one. Now some people have that. They can be buried in the Big place, but somehow I want to be married here. Mary Catherine Hill, 2016. Still alive. Glenn went in 2024, recently, January 8th. Robert E., 1923, always and forever. Husky. Charles went 2008. Terry L. is still alive, 1954. So. It's a nice one in the shade. Craig went July 7th, 1952. 2022, and Denise went in January 2024. Stuart's still alive. Adrian's still alive, 2010. Anyways, guys, here's the first one. We'll go back over there and do another one. So anyways, guys, hope you liked it.